this web ODM user interfaces with the credentials of my login IDs. This is the dashboard UI user interface of web ODM. Whether initially I am just loading my GCP text file. This text file having that ID using nothing elevation with data. This is the format. Just I am loading. So after loading, all the GCP points are presenting in the correct flag. So simultaneously I am just opening images in the next window. So now my images are presenting here. I am just going to do how we can make a geotagging. Just double click the image. So when it is where it is showing that point, you just delete, and here you deselect. Just move the points the top of the marker. Just keep it, and this is the correct point, and just click it first. The same. So for GCP, at least we need to tag 4 images. It's the minimal requirement. Just go and keep it in the top of the mark and just click. But automatically the mark will be detected and select. So like that we need to do for all the points. Same thing on duplicate. So after tracking all the ground control points, just go and click export file. Get one pop-up window. Just to verify it, how many points are received. If it is right, then you just save it. So this file save as a text format. So our GCP interface tagging completed. Now we are going for processing. Now just I am going to open. Already that project is there. I am just editing the name, just giving a demo project. The description also same demo. So, giving save changes. So demo projects are ready. Based on your system configuration, do the editing and all. So just I'm clicking the select image and GCPs. So entire image with my GCP, the tagging file. Just select the tag, and now it is under progress. So if you want to edit any things, you can edit from the option edit code. Just giving my city's default, and this time start my processing. So now this processing is running. Initially it will be configure our image resize, but after completion it will be 2 as per the algorithm. Now that resize is going on, so it is a lengthy process. Almost going to complete now. So after resize completion, that image task will be start. So based on your images and system specification, time frame will be changed. So here I am giving 188 for the demo purpose, but my current system won't support that much of the images, so I am giving only 20 images for demonstration. So now the process has been completed. So this is the output. So what are the outputs? You can generate everything to showing auto image, point cloud, and this we can see it on the map window. This is my processing image. So I don't want need any additional applications to watch this zip file and all. So you can generate and do all the analytical works here. So in this window, you can simultaneously switch over all the output images like DSM, point cloud, DTM, contour. So here I am showing one of the output image. So it's a plant model. So in this tool you can able to generate contours. Also we can export ArcGIS, sync file, AutoCAD.